guys, how are you today? Great, I am also good. Guys, today we will learn about there is and there are expressions. There are expressions, there is, there are. Okay, where can we use these expressions? Okay, actually, there is, there are. Okay, when we use singular noun in our sentence, we can take there is expressions there is. Okay, for example, there is a girl in the classroom. Okay, there is a girl. Did you see? Girl is singular noun. That's why I use what? The expression there is. But when I say there are girls in the classroom, okay, girls, look at girls is plural nouns. That's why I use there are girls in the classroom. Or I can say a bird in for example in this in the nest. Okay, for example, there is a bird. That's why bird is singular noun. Did you see? Okay, for summarizing, I can say to you there is, we are using there is for one thing, but we are using there for more than one thing. Okay, and also you can use there is with what? Uncountable nouns. Okay, again, okay, we are using there is one thing, singular nouns, and also uncountable nouns. Yes, but there are with plural nouns, two or more things, and also countable nouns, but plural countable nouns. Did you understand? Okay, for example, look at this photo from my notebook. Okay, computer. Okay, what is it? Yes, this is bed. Let's say what? Let's say in the sentence. There is a bed in the room. Great, because we have just one bed in the room. Okay, then this picture. Yes, can you see? Okay. There is a chair in the room. Great, very good. Now, next picture. Yes. There is a toy in the room. Yes, great. But this one. Great. There are, okay, how many books do we have in the room? 5 books. That's why we are using there is or there are. Great. Of course there are, because this noun is what? Plural noun. That's why there are books in the room. Okay guys, I have video about the restaurant. Okay, we'll practice our new topic with video. Okay, are you ready? Did you understand me? Okay, let me show you my video. Okay, can you see? Great. Okay, what is it?
There is one car.
Yes, there is one car. Great. Then this one.
There are 2 balls.
2 balls. Great. We have 2 balls. That's why we are using there are. Okay.
There is used for one person or thing.
Yes. What did I say to you? And there are
2 or more things.
Great.
Or persons.
Great.
There is one apple.
Okay, if we have 1 apple, we are using what? There is. But if we have 2 apples, we are using what? There are. Very good. Great. And okay, if we have 1 cat, okay, can you see this photo? Okay, we are using what? Full sentence. There is a cat in the yard. Great.
1 cat.
Okay.
There is
1 cat.
There
Yes.
are 4 children.
4 children. That's why we are using there are. Great. There are 4. Okay, we have 1 strawberry. That's why we are using there are or there is. There is 1 strawberry in the basket. Great. And if we have 2 or more strawberries in the basket, we are saying there are. Great. There are 2 strawberries and so on. Okay.
There is 1 dog.
Okay, there is 1 dog. But we have rabbit. How many rabbits do we have in this picture? 2 rabbits. That's why we are using there are 2 rabbits. Great. And there is 1 cat. Great. Good job. Guys, I have a quiz for you about this one. I sent to you my quiz. You will do. Okay, we'll do with you. Okay, together. Let's say. Okay, can you see? I sent to you. I shared this link. Can you open? Okay, great. Okay, let's do together. Choose the correct sentence for the picture. Okay, this is okay. What is it? Chair. Okay. How many chair? One chair. That's why the variant is B. There is a chair. Great. We have one chair. That's where we are using. There is a chair. Great. Now second question. Okay. Okay. How many books do we have? Okay. 3 books. That's why there are 3 books in the shelf. Great. There are 3 books. Okay, guys. Can you say you'll fill in the fill a blank? Okay. Look at a lamp on the desk. Okay, a lamp. Which one? Of course, there is a lamp on the desk. Now, the fourth one, sorry. Okay, we have 5 windows in the room. That's why we are using what? 5 windows. Okay, there are 5 windows. There are 5 windows in the room. Okay, did you see we have 2 or more things? It means 5 windows. That's why we are using 0. We have many windows. It means. Then, okay, can you see how many pictures do we have in the picture? Okay, 4 chairs. Okay. Okay, you will make a sentence on your own. Okay, do it. There are 4 chairs in the pictures. Great, great. There are 4 chairs or around the table. You can say there are 4 chairs, there are 5 chairs around the table. Okay, guys, again, we have, what is it? A computer. Great, this picture. That's why we are making a sentence what? There is a computer on the desk. Great. Okay, guys, and now true or false task. There is 2 cats in the garden. Is it right or not? Is it true or false? Of course false, because it will be what? There are 2 cats in the garden. Great, great. I think you understood our new topic because it's easy for you, yes? Now, guys, we'll write a question. How do you ask if there are books on the table? Okay. Are there books on the table? Okay, I will explain to you. Look at. If we have, for example, books on the table, we are saying, are there any books? Are there books on the table? Yes, because we have so many books there. Guys, okay, you know, I have learned to you this one, negative form of the sentence. Look at, there are 5 chairs. How can we say in the negative form? Okay, plus not. Yes, am is are plus not. Okay, we are using this here. What are? Okay, there aren't 5 chairs. Okay, there aren't 5 chairs. Okay, are plus not. Now, guys, that's all our quiz. I think it was easy to you. Now, guys, I'll say 2 or more sentences to you, and we'll say is it there is or there are. Then we have, okay, a book on the table. What can you say? There is or there are? There is a book on the table. Great. 3 apples in the basket. Okay. There are 3 baskets in. Okay. A cat around the chair. There is a cat because a cat is singular noun. We are using this article here. Okay. 5 chairs in the room. There are 5 chairs. Okay, we have seen plural nouns. Now, a lamp next to the bed. A lamp next to the bed. Okay, there is a lamp. Great. 2 windows in the kitchen. Okay, 2 windows. It means there are 2 windows. Guys, that's all for our lesson. I think it is clear to you. Now, see you next lesson. Bye bye.